Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another wonderful recipe. If you're looking for a way to attract money, you can do this recipe with coconut water and honey to attract money into yourself. I know you must have been seeing other people, giving testimony of how they attracted money into their life by carrying out spiritual work or spiritual assignment. Yes, it is true. Okay, it is true. Some people have been attracting money by doing spiritual recipe. It has been working for them. So I'm going to teach you how to use coconut water and honey to attract money into yourself. That is if you are looking for a way to attract money. Okay. Number one thing that you should be aware of is that you need to have something that you're doing, because money doesn't fall from heaven. Money passes from hand to hand. Okay. You need to have something that you're doing. It can be, business, it can be a job, anything that you are doing. That is through that means that money will come to you. Money doesn't fall from heaven. That's just truth. Okay. And I often tell people that it is spirituality that control the physical. Life is spiritual, okay? So if you can do this spiritual recipe with honey and coconut water, money will come to you. So the first thing that you should get is a water, okay? Just get natural water, okay? It can be bottled water, it can be any other water. Just get normal water, okay? And when you get normal water, you are going to get this item called calories, just two. Okay, now when you get calories, you're going to put it inside that water, that bottled water, or or the natural water that you put. Okay, so you're going to put it inside that bottled water or any other water. I don't know if you can see this very well. Okay, now when you put that calories inside the water, you are going to get the coconuts. You break the coconuts, you add the water inside. Okay, so I will advise you to open it from the head like this. Open it from the head and add it inside the water that you have. Okay, now after adding that coconut water inside the normal water, that's the natural water, you should get your honey, original honey. Okay, open the honey as well, add just little, not much, just little quantity, okay, inside the water. Now after adding all the items inside that natural water, you are going to shake that water very well. Okay, after shaking that water very well, now you can use that water to pray, make your request from the universe, from God. Okay, that you need money. You need to mention the amount that you want. You need to give months, okay, or days or weeks on how you want that money to come. Okay, if you are doing business, you can use this water to be sprinkling on your goods when you go out to your shop in the morning. Okay, you call your customers wherever they are, let that money come to you, because these are the ways that you attract that money. That money will not fall from heaven. Okay, you use that water to sprinkle on your goods. Now when the customers comes to buy things from you, they will not be reluctant to buy things from you. Okay, when you tell them prices, they will just buy that thing that you are selling. It will be more easier for you. They are not going to be reluctant to price your goods. Okay, and they will be coming and be giving you that money that you are praying to attract, that you are always wanting to attract. Through that means, through using this, the customer will come and you start attracting that money. That is how you can attract that money. Okay, if you are doing business, then if you are doing a job, you'll be getting contract when you are using this water on yourself. Okay, you are going to be getting contracts. You are going to be getting jobs. People will be calling you to come and do work for them. Okay, just by using this water on your body. In the morning when you want to, go out, just take a little of this water and touch the whole of your body. Just touch the whole of your body and say your request, make your request, and go out. You see that work will be coming. People will be calling you for contracts. Okay, and if you're not doing anything, you can be using this water to be making a prayer in the morning. Okay, you can be using this water to be making a prayer in the morning. Okay, somebody may see you and give you money. Somebody may see you and decide to assist you financially. Okay, through this way you have attracted that money that you are looking for. Okay, through this means you have gotten that money that you are looking for. Okay, so these are the ways that you can use this item to attract money to yourself. Just make sure that you put them together and make a prayer, make your request, say the amount that you want, the weeks, the month, the day that you want the money. Make it, okay, with your mouth, say the request, and believe the universe and believe God Almighty for them to help you attract this money the right way. Okay, so this is what you can do with coconut water and honey to attract money to yourself. Okay, if you don't understand any part of this video, you are free to use the comment section. You are free to ask questions if you don't understand any part of the video. Okay, and some people who don't believe that these things are right, these things works, I want you to try and do this recipe today and see for yourself how it is going to work. Okay, but make sure that you apply faith, because faith without work is fake. Okay, if you are not applying faith in any spiritual work that you are doing, I don't think you are going to see the result, because faith is very, very important. Even the Bible mentioned it, okay, that without faith it's impossible to see God. So faith is very, very important. So if you want to do this, apply faith in it, and you are going to see that it's going to work for you. A lot of people have been doing, work about money, attracting money. A lot of people have been doing spiritual work about attracting money, and they have been giving testimonies. Okay, this is one of the testimony that's a member of us gave. Okay, the uncle gave $1,000. Okay, after doing the recipe, this is the testimony. So if you do this recipe very well, you are going to attract money. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you guys in today's video. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching today, if you have not subscribed, please do go to subscribe. Ask your question in the comment section. I will answer you very well. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. So do this recipe and you'll never regret doing it. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.